Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever met someone and just instantly clicked? That feeling where you feel comfortable and connected to them right away. It's like they have this special magic that just draws people in. Well, guess what? That magic isn't magic at all. It is actually a set of learnable behaviors that can make you a person people warm up to immediately. Today, we're diving deep into 11 of these behaviors. Mastering even a few of these will totally transform your social interactions. So if you're ready to become more likable and build stronger connections, stick around. Let's start with number 1, offering a genuine smile. It sounds so simple, right? But think about it. A real, authentic smile is incredibly powerful. It's not about just showing your teeth. It's about a smile that reaches your eyes. This is often called the Duchenne smile when you smile genuinely at someone. It's a universal signal of warmth and friendliness. It non-verbally says, I'm happy to see you, I'm open, and I'm not a threat. It instantly lowers the other person's guard and makes them feel at ease. The next time you meet someone new or greet a friend, focus on giving them a smile that comes straight from the heart. You'll be amazed at the positive reaction you get in return. It's the simplest yet most effective icebreaker there is. Moving on to number 2, using their name. Dale Carnegie famously said, "A person's name is to that person the sweetest and most important sound in any language." And he was absolutely right. When you make an effort to remember and use someone's name in conversation, it shows you value them as an individual. It signals that you're paying attention and that they're important enough for you to remember. It creates an instant personal connection. Think about how you feel when someone you've just met remembers your name. It feels good, right? It makes you feel seen. So when you're introduced to someone, make a conscious effort to remember their name. Repeat it back to them, like "It's great to meet you, Sarah," then. Try to use it naturally once or twice during your conversation. It's a small detail that makes a huge impact. Next up, at number 3, is giving your undivided attention. In our world of constant distractions, with notifications buzzing and our minds racing, truly listening to someone has become a rare gift. When you're talking to someone, put your phone away, make eye contact, turn your body towards them. This shows them that in that moment, they are your priority. It communicates respect and shows that you genuinely care about what they have to say. Don't just wait for your turn to talk. Actively listen to understand their words, their tone, and their body language. People can feel when you're not fully present, and it's a major turnoff. But when you give them your full, undivided attention, they feel heard, valued, and instantly more connected to you. Number 4 is a big one. Ask thoughtful, open-ended questions. Small talk about the weather can only get you so far. If you want people to warm up to you, you need to show genuine curiosity about their lives. Instead of asking yes or no questions like, "Did you have a good weekend?" Try asking open-ended questions like, "What was the highlight of your weekend?" Or "What are you passionate about outside of work?" These types of questions invite the other person to share more about themselves, their thoughts, and their feelings. It opens the door to deeper, more meaningful conversations. It shows that you're not just going through the motions of a conversation. You're truly interested in getting to know them as a person. All right, let's talk about number 5. Find common ground. Humans are wired to connect with people who are like them. Finding a shared interest, a common experience, or a mutual friend can build an instant bridge between you and someone else. It creates a sense of us. When you're talking to someone, listen for clues about their hobbies, their background, or their passions. Maybe you both love the same type of music, grew up in the same area, or enjoy hiking. When you find that piece of common ground, point it out. Say something like, "No way, I love that band too." This creates an immediate bond and makes the conversation flow much more. It turns you from a stranger into a potential friend in an instant. Coming in at number 6 is offering a sincere compliment. Who doesn't love receiving a genuine compliment? It can brighten someone's entire day. The key word here is sincere. Don't just flatter people for the sake of it. Look for something you truly admire or appreciate about them. It could be about their great sense of style, a well-thought-out comment they made, their positive energy, or a skill they have. Be specific. Instead of saying you're nice, try, "I really admire how you made everyone feel so welcome." A specific, heartfelt compliment shows that you're observant and that you appreciate their unique qualities. It's a powerful way to make someone feel good about themselves and, in turn, feel good about you. Number 7 on our list is using positive and open body language. Long before you even say a word, your body is communicating. To appear approachable and friendly, uncross your arms. Keep your posture open and relaxed. Lean in slightly when the other person is talking to show you're engaged. Nod your head to show you're listening and understanding. These nonverbal cues signal that you're open, receptive, and friendly. Conversely, crossed arms, looking away, or slouching can make you seem closed off, disinterested, or intimidating. Pay attention to your body language. It often speaks louder than your words and can make all the difference in how quickly someone warms up to you. At number 8, we have be a source of positivity. People are naturally drawn to those who uplift them. Nobody wants to be around a constant complainer or someone who is always negative. This doesn't mean you have to be unrealistically cheerful all the time, but try to focus on the good. Be optimistic, be encouraging, and look for the silver lining. When you interact with others, bring a positive energy to the conversation. Celebrate their wins, offer encouragement when they're facing challenges, and generally be a pleasant person to be around. Your positive vibe will be contagious, and people will associate you with good feelings, making them want to be around you more. Next, number 9, remember the little things. This behavior shows you're not just a good listener in the moment, but that you retain information because you care. Did a coworker mention their kid had a soccer game over the weekend? On Monday, ask them, "Hey, how did your son's soccer game go?" Did a new friend mention they were nervous about a presentation? Follow up and ask them how it went. Remembering and asking about these small details is incredibly powerful. It shows that you are genuinely listening and that you care about their life beyond your immediate interaction. It makes people feel important and remembered, which is a cornerstone of building any strong relationship. Our 10th behavior is to be vulnerable and authentic. People don't connect with perfection. They connect with realness. Don't be afraid to be yourself. Share a funny, self-deprecating story. Admit when you don't know something. Talk about a struggle you've overcome. This doesn't mean oversharing or dumping all your problems on a new acquaintance. It's about strategically letting your guard down and showing that you are a real human with your own flaws and quirks. This gives the other person permission to be vulnerable too, which creates a deep sense of trust and connection. Authenticity is magnetic. When you're comfortable in your own skin, it makes others comfortable around you. Finally, number 11, offer help without being asked. This is a pro-level move in building rapport. It's about anticipating someone's needs and proactively offering assistance. Maybe you see a colleague struggling with a heavy box, a new team member looking lost, or a friend who seems overwhelmed. Step in and say, "Hey, can I give you a hand with that?" Or "You seem like you have a lot on your plate. Is there anything I can do to help?" This act of kindness and consideration shows that you're a team player and a genuinely caring person. It demonstrates that you're thinking about others, not just yourself. This kind of selflessness makes a lasting impression and makes people not only warm up to you, but also trust and respect you deeply. So there you have it, 11 simple but powerful behaviors that will make people warm up to you almost instantly. From a genuine smile to offering a helping hand. These actions all boil down to making other people feel seen, heard, and valued. Try incorporating just 1 or 2 of these into your interactions this week and see what happens. You might be surprised at how much more positive and connected your conversations become. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content on communication and personal growth. Which of these behaviors do you think is most important? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next video.